I'll admit it, that sometimes I just couldn't get it. But I had to be strong and just keep moving on. I lost my way.
Yeah, so we can do the door here.
You want that to be like the middle of the door or the edge of the door?
The edge.
Once we get it here, I know where you want to go.
Yeah, so I'm about to push this over some because we're going to burn this pile.
Okay.
And I don't want it to be near that building.
Okay. It's not in my way. I don't know if once I put the building here, if you can still move it. It don't matter to me.
Okay.
Alright, because I'm just going to basically... Do you have anything out here? It looks like septic posts.
Yeah, so it's a water system on that side.
On that side.
So it's so right here, this little beam, this little walkway.
Okay.
Everything on the other side of this.
Gotcha.
So everything from here back, there's no support. So all the support is from here on over.
So all I'm going to do, I'm just going to pull up, try to back around a little bit, and then just use the machine.
Okay.
So I just wanted to make sure I didn't go back too far into something else.
Yeah, so you're good up until here, this whole little ridge.
Pull up a little bit, like I said, back up.
So you can go all the way up there. All that's rocked off.
Yeah, I'm just going to get it close, like basically pull up straight and then back up, get the building kind of back here where the Kubota is, and then just pull it off with the machine.
Okay. Yeah, I probably should have got the goddamn barn house. Man.
Landing gear lowering. Landing gear raising.
I wait until you get ready to move that shit.
The hardpoint has been ready to take off. The hardpoint has been ready to take off. Landing gear raising.
Mr. Dixon.
Yeah.
Hey man, since it's kind of slow, I got 10 more issues before she told me to check with you. I'm gonna swing by some of the old shops that I used to tow for and see if I can get them signed up with us.
All right. Right now I'm up here. Shit. Come on, man.
What's that?
I'm getting him placing his goddamn what's the name? Yeah, he's putting it in the spot I want him to.
Awesome. Yeah, I'm gonna go to some old shops that I used to tow for and some car lots.
All right.
Alrighty.
So he's setting the building down right now. Oh, trying to get a little footage with the drone. And scoot it forward a little bit more. Come forward. All right. You scoot back just a little bit.
Go back this way.
Just a little bit. All right. What's that? What's that? So I use that door, go up to the building, put the block off this side so they can walk around and go inside. And then I'll get them to make me a gate, another one of them metal steel gates. I'll take these off the hinges. I'll place that pole next to this, and I'll do that pole from there to here.
If you really think about it, this is just an idea. You could use the flaps. Like, all right, this is closed, right? And the flaps, you open the doors up to where they stop at the edge of the building on both sides. That'll keep people from going past the fence itself. But I don't know, because how are they coming in? Where are they parking at? Right here? Like on that side of the gate? Because all this shit's soft as fuck. Yeah, that shit wet as fuck. Oh, that
No,
is.
they're not parking here at all.
Okay.
So, but now that you say that, let's open this gate up. Because instead of making a fence here,
Yeah.
again, I can have this open.
As long as it barricades the sides of the building, shit, that's it.
So we can back that building up enough.
Hold on.
Come in. Come in now.
Right.
Back it up some to where this is on the edge. Yeah, but then where am I gonna make an entrance at?
This is your entrance. If you think about it, look. The gates block the sides. They can't go around. They can't walk past this building. I don't know, how are you conducting business? Throw out the window, or are you letting them come in?
Through the window.
And yeah, that's what I was thinking. Find a way to lock these to the side of the building.
Unless I can get another one of those hinges, and I can put that hinge. I can put a pole here, and I can put that hinge on this pole and latch it down on that, then lock that with a lock. So the only way they can come in is if I unlock the gate.
Well, basically, I pull this way and make this line up with that corner, and then all you can do is just swing that gate out or swing it in.
Or I mean, we can leave it like it is. We'll just have to back the building up more so on the, to where these gates
Yeah.
will come to the edge of the building, and I'll just put a pole at the edge.
Do you want to do that with that one too, or do you want to?
That way people ain't walking past this building.
No, well, we can't do that. Not with that one. Because then I want that door blocked.
Like during hours, open hours type shit.
Or what, period. Because this is the entrance door to the inside. I don't want somebody that's angry and upset to come and try to go inside that door.
If you went, pull this one back over again. Part of the job. 2 foot.
You block that door pretty
You
good.
put it here. I don't know how much room you need for people to get in and out of the doors, the only thing. Because if we come this way.
Well, the door goes in, so it don't matter.
Yeah. Because that was the thing. I'm thinking if we pulled the building this way and put this on the corner.
Oh, and then put that up
and
to
then
here.
Put this to where it basically would almost hit that window.
Yeah, that's
and then
better.
that door's there. It might not look all, like perfect, but if you're saying you don't care how much room you have going in the building necessarily.
Right, because if you pull back that way and this is here, if
That'll
this
go
is
there.
here, then they got plenty of room to get in because again they're walking in.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can do that.
I mean, at least pull it back, try and see what it looks like.
Yeah.
I'll pull it this way. I won't be able to see you, but if you want to tell me when he says to stop, just try to hold that close, and then we'll get it pretty close.
All right.
Test that.
Hold on.
And you could go a little bit more and put a post in. Well, we'll see where this is. I mean, if we went a little bit more so you could put a post in, this way, I mean, you'd have plenty. I mean, right now, I mean, I can get through there with no issue. You know, open that up, walk in.
Put a post.
Go another.
Right, but I will put a post up against that building.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, so even
mean,
if
you're
even
down a
if
little
I
bit.
went here, probably here.
Well, to say for that one specifically, because you want to put a post in for that one, and you need a little bit of room. Well, this drops down into that,
But I mean, again, I can put a post. Even if I put a post here, ain't nobody squeezing through that post to get to the other side. I can put a
before
post.
the person inside knows.
I can put a post here, and then put those clamps from here to the post,
Just lock that down.
and just lock this down. And then I would take this system off of here and put it on here. I will put this system on that post at the end, and then I will lock this down on top of it.
I think the only thing, like I said, is I don't know how much room you need between the building.
Scoot over a little more.
bit more, yeah.
All right, right there. Yeah, because I can put that post right up against the building. Dig the hole here. Because it ain't going to be that big. Stick that post right there.
This might change a little bit just when we level it, but it won't change enough to really change much.
Right. That way I don't have to get rid of this at all.
Then you can just have
And
it
then
come in
technically, when they get ready and come in, I will just walk out and walk around and unlock this gate.
They opening the door on this side, our people can unlatch this gate to let them in.
Right, but I'm going to take that latch system off.
Right, but
Well,
it's got to
that-
be something to hold poles. So
Well, he's saying to put this.
I'm
here,
going to secure that. That fence ain't going to move no more.
Make that permanent post.
I'm going to strap that to that post.
okay.
And then that way, you know, something went on. It'll be two people here though at all times. But if you gonna break in there, you have to walk all the way around this motherfucker to get in.
Yeah.
Versus them opening that and they going straight to that door.
And I mean, when you gotta let someone in, you gotta walk around to open it.
But what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put that there, this here, but I'm still gonna have from that fence right there, that post, I'm gonna go from that post, put my own post in front of it, go up to the side of this building, put another post, come across to the building and put a post. But in between that fence, that way that's the only fence I have to have made, is that L shape. But in that setup, I'll have them make me a one of them walk-in gates with the steel. That way it can be locked. And the only way it can be unlocked is if we hit the button to unlock that hoe.
Right. So people walking in this way, it's like I said, it's soft as fuck.
Right, but I'm gonna put some rocks. I'm gonna get a truckload of rocks.
A lot of it, 'cause all this shit's soft.
Nah, well technically, it's only gonna be from here, from the post, over. So I'm gonna rock this whole little walkway to the end.
And the parking is where? 'Cause that shit's soft too. There's a drain system down there. That would explain why this shit's soft.
Are you good with where this is?
Yes.
Okay, 'cause I'll go ahead and start blocking.
Okay. Well, that's all mud.
It's a drain system. If you keep going, the drain is down there at the corner by the stop sign. But this is a drain system, that's why. That's why it kind of didn't make sense on this side because of how soft it was. I peeped that shit when I was riding the boat with all that is soft. Like, not even a piece of it. And even closer to the gate, it's puddles of water right now.
So what we're gonna do? Put it on that side?
What, the building?
But then on that side, I would have to do a gate.
I mean, is he gonna let you park here? Because you could just really create a rock platform from the road to here. Like, we're not expecting 20, 30 people at one time type shit. Like, I don't think we're gonna have them park down here. We're gonna have to gravel.
I'm gonna throw the rocks and then throw the lime out here. But see, the parking would only be like this area, from like this fence pole to about out here.
Softness of it. I didn't bring the 4-wheeler through here because of how much water it was. That's what I'm saying. So we run the risk of sitting water regardless. Right here is soft as fuck. Oh, this shit. It's still kind of, I don't know. It's really hard to say with this soft shit. This whole side soft. I peeped it because of the hot grass. And then when we had the 4-wheeler shit, there was a lot of water through here. I didn't even drive through it. I tested that shit. That shit kind of solid.
But I said this because this is the most space.
Right.
As into trying to make gates over there for them to drive in.
What's down here? What is this on the side of the gate?
It's all the same property.
I'm saying that shit is like sprinkler systems.
So let me ask him if this is even his property.
It's that little section that wasn't on the map.
But you would think so. That white pole down there should end his property line. How you doing, Kevin? Hey, I had a question. So you know this little parking area, this little area outside the gate over here by the corner? The little area outside the gate system, outside the gate, over here by the edge, like you're going towards Oh, so everything on the outside can't even be that neither. So we're probably so where do you think I should put this building before he blocks it off? Think I should put this building because we were going to try the back gate, but yeah, if ain't none of this your property, then nah, this ain't gonna work. Yeah. If only the fenced-in area is yours, then I'm gonna have to put it somewhere towards the other side. Uh-huh. So I was trying to see I was trying to make like a little thing for people, you know, when they come get their cars, to where they could walk up to the window instead of the door. I'm gonna probably move it,
What's that?
the building.
Oh, okay.
All right, so I'm probably going to see, that would require me to take out a section in the front. If I went to the front side,
Okay.
that will require me to take out a section.
Yeah.
Okay, because so it would it be okay? So if I put it up here on the front side, right here, you know where this first septic tank pole is. So if I put the building here, so if I put some dirt and asphalt like up here in the front to make like another driveway for people to come in. So do you think their cars would be all right on this little soft part to come up, or?
It's hard to say. I mean, I don't really know I don't know what's underneath it. If you got like leach lines or anything like that.
Okay, so then that means I would just have to get a fence to run from the main entrance side up to the building.